Shot clock reduced to 6. Bishop wiggles open.
He's taking the shot.
Yes!
Oh, yes!
Yes, you're right.
And
Here's that shot by Bishop.
And that was a tough shot because that was a challenge. And remember, TNT does not really like to run with the ball. They're only number 8 in fast break points.
Bishop!
Here's Bishop once more. Jason Costas, first attempt, a conversion.
We're down to less than 5 minutes. Long distance shot!
Kasi nandun si Almazan.
Mas mahaba ang galamay. Here's Malik Sius in the game for the first time. Bishop corner flip. Bang!
Got it again. Boy, this guy's a dead shot. But Newsom crossing the line. Oh, that's good. Nice pass.
Kala mo dunk, ano?
Oo, akala ko alley-oop eh.
Napasigaw ka na, kala mo dunk eh.
Pero si Tony Bishop.
Bishop fakes, attacks, and misses. Tries to get it back. Still doesn't get it, but gets it on the third try. Hindi iniwanan ni Cliff Hodge. Tough catch by Hodge. Down the middle to Bishop.
Ito, makita natin ang nangyari. Cliff Hodge with a bullet-like pass para kay Tony Bishop.
Mukhang trail center. Sumigaw na, hindi na sumigaw ng trail center yun.
Nakakita niya eh. Nakakita niya parating eh. Okay lang siguro yun, sabi ni Coach Todd.
Sige.
I want to see some emotion.
Kailangan ko ng taga-simula.
Pumasok yun.
Bishop with a curve.
Ito, watch it. Ito yung cut. And tapos yung finish.
Si Moore ba ang foul? Kung si Moore, 5 na yan ha. Here's Newsom.
Napigilan nila si Bishop.
From receiving.
Let's see.
But he fires.
Oh, yes. Just what I said.
Oh, just
what I said.
Hodge. Here's Bishop. Fires from 15.
Oh, pumasok.
Naku. Baka natulungan ng tapik ah.
Oo. But Tony Bishop now with 31 points.
And they pull away by Newsom on the attack, but decides to slow it down.
But what about the transition dig? Here's Pinto again. Not finding the mark, but they get a chance to score once more. Here's Bishop. Oh,
He gets
Bishop a
it
second servings. Wow, he's doing it all. 33 points now for Tony Bishop. He'll go to the line.
They're going to Bishop. Why not?
And he scores again. Tony Bishop is putting the team on his shoulders right now. It's a 5-point Meralco lead. He's got 36 points.
And with 2:37 to go, it is 81-76.